Good evening. Welcome back to my channel. This is Miss JD for our Monday episode of our daily stock market insights. And in this video, I am going to prioritize, as always, your request. So if this is your first time watching our video here, feel free to hit the subscribe button so that whenever you have requests or whenever I have new videos, you are always updated. Okay? So it's a bit late, but yeah, as always, we have to make sure that we are prepared before tomorrow, before the market opens. Okay, but we have to start first with how the index performed, right? So as you can see right here, medyo starting to recover kahit papano. May foreign buying na tayo and may slight overshoot siya, a little bit lower sa MA20 line, but sometimes it can happen. That can happen, but I still find that there's a valid bounce at the MA20 level. So, sana ngayon ang kanyang bagong support? Dati 6,400 dinay natin, di ba mga dito banda? Pero may a little bit higher than that. Dito sa area na to, mapapansin nyo, may pag-bounce din na nangyari. So, magkalapit yung unang area dito, 6,400, tapos ngayon naman dito na. So, that could be a possible area na nire-respect ngayon ng ating index. So, pwede ulit dyan or pwede din dito. So, that's an area. Ngayon, overall, hindi ba yan totally 100%? Well, kung tutusin mo, no, parang nakapag-breakout na siya dyan sa downtrend na yan, ganyan, di ba? So, as always, pag sinabi nating magbe-breakout na siya or breakout play, momentum play, pag nag-breakout na siya ng ganun, chances are gaganyan siya. Tapos, i-retest niya yung dating resistance, gagawa siya ng support. Tapos, minsan magsa-sideways pa muna yan bago mag-fully akyat. So, at the moment, so masasabi natin dito, ito yung dati niyang resistance on a decline, tapos nag-breakout siya. Tapos ngayon, binabalikan lang yung dati niyang ah, support dito. May support siya dito eh. So, previous support, pag binalikan, pwedeng i-retest niya yung support niyan bago fully mag-akyat siya. Wala pa tayo, tanda lang natin, wala pa masyado volume. So, kaya yung sinabi nating possible sideways, pwede pang mangyari yan oops, before we officially say, oh, ito na siya. Fully take off na siya. Right now, tinitest niya lang ulit itong support area natin. Okay, so yan. Yan ang ating index. Posibleng may mga 50-50 yung pag sideways kasi. Posibleng some of the stocks in the index ay accelerating, some are on a decline, some are neutral. Kaya yung effect niyan in a aggregate performance or average performance ay nagiging sideways. So, we still have to look at the individual stocks and make our conclusions from there. Okay, so may a few stocks akong utang from the previous videos, so prioritize ko yun, ha? Ngayon, unahin natin si MREIT. MREIT. Yan. Okay. Si MREIT, buwelo siya, no? Short-lived. Pinump to siguro ng sobra. Tapos, the next, on the 19th, binagsak naman siya, nag-profit take agad. So, ito, at the moment, we ended red today, pero mukhang nag-hold naman siya sa support area, which is at the MA20 level. Abangan niyo lang. May foreign buying na naganap, so that is really good. At we're not saying now ito na officially yung bounce niya. Hintayin natin ito. Kung ma-respect niya to by tomorrow, most of the action happens above this line. 1 to 2 hours siguro ma-establish na yan. Kasi ang pinaka-volatile na hour is the first hour of the day. Sometimes first 30 minutes nga lang eh. Kapag nangyari yun na most of the action happens below the 1442, then chances are itong area na to, posibleng itetest niya talaga yan. 1420. Yan. This level over here, itetest niya, gagawa niya ng support dito. If not, ito na nga ang kanyang magiging bounce level, ang 1446 or 1442. Yan. At this point, medyo observe lang muna. Overall, kung titingnan ka, Parang sideways siya, no? May spike lang. Ito, unusual to na spike. Pero overall, sideways pa rin siya talaga. Volume starting to build up here. Pero because red-red pa yan, hindi pa ako totally, hindi pa malakas yung conviction ko na, okay, re-reverse tayo. Kita mo itong green candlestick na to? Kung titingnan mo yung candlestick na yan, medyo promising siya. Pero kasi nga, walang volume. That means yung pag-akyat niya na green, hindi siya, walang support ng buyer. Kukunti lang yung buyer dyan. So, true enough, hindi siya na-sustain. May breakdown pa rin ang price at binalikan yung previous level. So, yun ang gusto nating makita is the build-up of the volume as we go higher. Yun ang ating kailangan na ma-establish. Pero wala pa siya ngayon. CREIT, kasi CREIT, na 149 trades lang, pero may foreign buying. Pero isang tandaan natin ngayon ay nasa resistance area tayo ni CREIT. Pero sometimes it's also good if you're consolidating at the higher side because that means people are starting to, two things eh, pwedeng mag-breakdown, pwedeng magtutuloy-tuloy. So, ang trigger mo dyan is pag may isang buong candlestick na start to establish above that resistance area at may volume ka pa, then that's good. Pero in this scenario, ang nakikita ko, while we are staying flat right at this area, yung iyong RSI pa-decline. Yan ang medyo hindi ko nagugustuhan sa setup ngayon. Kasi that means slowly people are starting to feel na this is becoming expensive. Pakonti ng pakonti ang bumibili at this level. So, kapag nag-decline yan, hindi ibig sabihin naman nasasadsad siya ng todo. Posibleng mag-decline siya, in a tolerable range. Pwedeng mag-drop muna siya ng up to 2.50. Okay? Ayan dito. Kasi parang for the past how many days, may mga long weeks kasi siya, pinagkaperahan to. Pag may mga long weeks, piniperahan yan ng mga traders. Papasok sa pinakababa, to take profit sa pinakataas. So, ito, especially itong araw na to, grabe to. Nagkapera dyan for sure yung mga intraday traders. That's 2.5%. Imagine kung malaki yung volume mo, 2.5, significant na din yan. So, in case mag-drop siya, ang daming pwedeng maging, may dito ka pa sa gitna, pwedeng ito rin. Pero, ayan, tandaan nyo na lang yan. 2.54 or 2.51, pwede niyang i-drop na level yan. But at this point, I'd say slow down muna, wag habulin kasi you might be able to get this at a cheaper level. Allow this stock to rest for a while. Yung gusto mag-take profit, ipa-take nyo sila ng profit, babalik din yan. Kasi ang taas na rin naman niya eh. Kita mo, na pa-V na nga to, malapit na to sa level na kung kailan tayo nag-start ng, during the IPO days. So, I think magpa-profit take talaga muna to. Ito yung ano ko eh, nag-support sa idea is the bearish divergence ng ating RSI. COSCO, next. COSCO, I feel I I can consider this as a bullish trend now starting to materialize. Ito yung declining resistance niya, ha? Pag each time na nagba-bounce, mas lower siya kumpara sa previous high niya, kumpara sa previous high. So ngayon may isang nice candlestick tayo. So chances are there's a brand new support na may establish dito. Pwedeng dito na area. Right? So, tandaan nyo lang, pag nag-breakout, ang ganda rin. Supported din siya ng volume, Tingnan nyo. Yan. Past 3 days. May foreign buying ka pa. So, I see some possibility ng continuation. Pero tandaan nyo lang, guys, pwedeng intraday, may fluctuation na magaganap, pwedeng babalikan to sideways bago umakyat. So, sometimes may mahabang week lang, tapos within the day, aakyat. So, those things can also happen. Just know that there is a possibility na itong 4.97, kung bullish talaga, yan na ang magiging bagong support natin for COSCO. If you want to know how far are we from the bottom, tingnan natin. Ayan. Hindi pa siya masyadong mataas. Oo, ang laki pa ng potential. Hay, 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 hay. Yan. So, at one point, 18 peso. So, ikaw bahala kung on its way up, magla-lock in ka ng profit, pwedeng pwede. Diba? Kasi, imagine mo from 5 to umakyat lang yan hanggang 8 pesos. Laki niyan. Magkano yan kung mag-lock in ka ng profit mo somewhere at the 8 peso level? That's a nice 50%. Grabe. So, ang lapit lang yan. Consider mo how much more kung tumodo pa yan. But before we do that, let's also try to check the revenue. Nice Q1 earnings. Nice 2022 earnings. Tapos may pa-dividend ka pa. Tapos na pala yung 2023 nila, nagbigay na sila. Once a year, yeah, mukhang once a year sila nagbibigay, ano? 2021, may pa-extra pa silang dividend, oh. Nakatago sa likod. Ayan. So this one is a good candidate for dividend investing, long-term holding, right? Kung gusto niyong, if you believe in the fundamentals, if you believe in the company, I strongly recommend na aralin niyo siya para at least kahit mag-sideways naman ng napakatagal, hindi ka maiinip. Kasi number one, you're being paid while waiting. And number two, this is a solid company that you like. So, kahit tumagal man yung kanilang recovery, walang problema sa'yo. Right? So, yun ang mga considerations mo. But that's on you. I highly empower you to make that research, do your research. Kasi dito, I can assist in the technicals. Pero in terms of fundamentals, that will be something that you will play an active participation in. Alright. So, si East-West naman, nasa weekly chart yung setup ko now. Sa weekly chart, bearish ito kasi we're moving below the MA20 line. Tapos, there's something pa rin at the same time na I want you to also closely observe is yung itong MA20 line kapag nakayuko yan. Alam niyo yun. Chances are, tutuluyan pababa. Tapos, syempre, gagalaw lang naman siya, yuyuko yan siya because of what's happening to the candlesticks eh. And candlesticks are also, telling me that the decline is not over yet. Pwede pa tong tumuloy-tuloy. And one candlestick in this scenario is worth 1 week. So, ito yung mga eksenang babantayan natin. Ito, tapos na to, na-break na to eh. So, ito na. Itong dalawang area na to, this, 6.58. Pag na-break si 6.58, expect na babalikan tong 5.79. So, if this is something na okay sa'yo, tingnan mo natin yung earnings. Oh, nice Q1 earnings, nice annual earnings. So, something to consider. May dividend sila, pero I think once a year lang, no? 5.86. Good na yan. Mataas na yan for dividend. Oh, 0.40 lang binigay nila dati. This year, 0.41. So, yan ang gusto mong titingnan ka. So, ay, recent lang pala sila nagbigay ng dividend eh. So, I think abangan nyo to. May potential siya. Pero pababain nyo muna. Hayaan nyo munang bumaba siya. Kasi still showing some signs na makaka-discount ka pa to. I wanna look at it. I wanna frame it differently. Um, I'm looking at it as a discount level. Kung gusto mo siyang pasukin, let it drop so you can get at a discounted level. Pero for those people who are already in here at na medyo naipit lang, and if you like the company, kasi maganda naman yung revenue, bantayan nyo lang. Kumbaga, yes, cost averaging. I believe in cost averaging. Pero, maximize niyo yung potential niya by waiting sa area na kung saan malapit na talaga tayo at the support level. And at this point, may two areas akong ina-eye. It's 6.58 and 5.79. Next is CLI. Si CLI, okay, nakaupo tayo sa MA20 line. Okay, balik tayo sa weekly para makita natin yung picture. Ay, downtrend pa. Mukhang downtrend pa to. Yan, still within that range. May 1.4 million on foreign buying ka. So this candlestick over here, pag tumodo yan green the entire week at natapos ng green, then doon pa lang tayo makakasabi na may chance na umakyat. Pero at this point, as a decline phase pa rin tayo eh. Wala, wala pang volume. Alright. Hopefully, pababa na rin yung volume na yan. Tapos, pag may breakout ka ng isang green candlestick, dapat maganda yung volume. So, that's the thing that we are going to observe right now. Bantayan natin yung pagtuloy-tuloy ng green niya. Pero at this point, wala eh. Feeling ko na we're sitting at a resistance area. PCOR. Si PCOR, ito. I like the candlestick of PCOR. Hindi pa yan, konti pa lang, triggering pa lang yan. Hindi pa yan officially nakatawid sa MA20. Attempting pa lang yan. Siguro another green candlestick, masasabi ko, okay, goods na yan. At this point, this is just on the verge of continuing its movement to the upside. Nag-retrace siya. Kumbaga kung ano ang inakyat niya, ganun lang din ang binaba niya. Binalikan niya yung same level over here, pero sideways with a little bit on the bullish side kasi medyo paakyat ng very, very tiny. But this green candlestick, good sign yan. Gusto lang natin siguro may isa pang green candlestick. Yun. Then we can say, okay na yan. You can start uh, doing test buys or just allocate a small portion to try it out if you're really interested in PCOR. Okay, isa pang tatandaan nyo, okay, ito pa, yan, observe nyo rin yan kasi nag-green tayo, totoo, pero walang volume. So, pag ganon, medyo tagilid ako sa part na yan dahil that means posibleng magbabalik pa yan sa previous level sa support area, somewhere the 340 to 345. Yan, pwede pa niya balikan yan. Pero yun na nga, kailangan natin ng isang nice green candlestick with some nice volume for us to say, okay, mas tumatas na yung conviction ko para magsabi na uptrend na siya. Ito, na-green, bumalik. Nagse-stabilize ngayon sa area na kung saan siya nakahinto, which is at the MA20 line. That's 200. So, check nyo lang muna yan. Pero ICT is a very good company, So, this might be a good opportunity to, start trying it out, putting in some exposure here, kahit hindi kalakihan, just to test it out. Kasi ito, ang stock na to, for the longest time, even during the pandemic, trajectory niya, akyat lang talaga ng akyat. At binibigyan na kayo ng mga, in some isolated cases na pag-drop niya, medyo significant ang drop. Ayun, sa mga nakasalo dito, good job. Kasi tumodo ulit. So ito, nag-drop ulit. Pero medyo kakaiba yung weekly. Sa weekly ako kakaiba yung period na to eh. Ito yung part na nag-double top siya dito. Actually, ito considered yan. Pero tapos titingnan mo nga lang, pa-decline yung kanyang RSI. So, kaya I'm thinking, baka lang, hindi siya alam mo yun, yan, itong kanyang MA20 ay still acting as a resistance. So, yun ang kailangan natin i-observe kasi baka babalikan yung mga previous levels ng previous support ba. Babalikan, gumawa ng support dito. Medyo malayo to. Pero, just in case. Ito, may resistance ka dito. Tingnan natin to. Baka gawan niya ng support itong area na to. Right? Ito. Yan. Kita nyo? Hopefully nakikita nyo. Yan. May time kasi dito na when this area was hit, may rejection nangyari. It acted as a resistance. Dito naman, it acted as a support. At ito, na-touch din siya twice. Oh. So baka lang, i-respect niya. I know it will decline. That's what I can see, particularly this week. So, hindi lang natin alam kung within the week, i-touch niya tong 190 at mag-recover. Or, babalik pala talaga siya sa 177. So, at this point, kung nakahanda na yung buying power nyo, I'd say, hold on to it muna kasi baka makakakuha pa kayo ng mas mura na level kay ICT if you're monitoring ICT. FCG, FCG is still on a decline din. Ha? So, naka-red tayo today. At hindi pa naman tapos ang linggo, pero on the bearish sentiment ako para dito. Baka may continuation this week at itouch yung 67.45. Ayan o. Yan, nahihirapan siya dito umusad at tumawid sa MA20. So, abangan nyo lang baka balikan nyo itong 6745 level. Si Home. Home, may 1 million on foreign buying ka. Pero bakit kasi red? Tapos pumasok na tayo sa loob. So, platan ko lang ng Fibonacci ha. Yan. So, these are the possible areas na iba-bounce niya. So, naka-red siya ngayon, pero baka uh, lalaruin ng volatility yung home in the coming days. Ito yung key areas. So, first area na pwede niyang i-bouncean is 1.78. Pag na-break niya, sunod yan 1.74. And for me, the lowest to say na bounce lang to or bounce area lang siya is at the MA20 line. Yun ang mga key levels. This is the lowest, pero kapag na-break yan, yan ang hindi magandang picture kasi baka magtuloy-tuloy pa yung drop. Baka short-lived lang itong pag-recover niya. So, yun ang trigger mo. 1.71, 1.74, and 1.78 as key areas of possible bounce. Saan na tayo? Yan. Ang laki ng din drop. So, feeling ko, in fairness, tingnan lang natin to ha. So, yung green candlestick last week, ay may isang magandang volume. Kung titignan nyo, medyo mataas ng konti kumpara sa last 2 weeks. So, pa-start na ng volume. So, let us say to this period, matapos siya ng green at may magandang green candlestick din, then that could be a sign. Kailangan natin kaya very important yung volume eh. Yan. So, two things, abangan natin. Possible lowest drop niya is dito. Yan. So, kailangan natin ng above the average volume every day, especially pag bullish yung candlestick. Si CEU, ay ano ba to? 2 trades lang. Medyo baka lalaruin ulit to. Mga long wicks ulit. So, if you're interested in this stock, abangan nila lang sa MA20 line. I have a strong feeling within the week, kahit i-GTC nyo pa yan, matatouch yan. GTC within the week, the 7.48, para at least kahit hindi nyo binabantayan pag na-hit yan at tapos biglang mag-long wick ulit, within the week, that could give you how much? 15%. Imagine that. Kung itong long weeks ulit mangyayari. Tapos may ibang days na siya, Alam mo yung talon-talon na feeling ko isa, dalawang trades lang talaga to, in a day. Pero may dividend ka. June 30 at tapos na. Pa-release na pala sila. Pero at least may ka. Dividend paying stock ito. Yan. Habang wala pa masyado interesado, magpondo ka na. Yan. I think solid naman yung kanilang financials. And consistent silang nagbibigay ng dividend. So yeah, start accumulating. Next is RCR. Si RCR starting to recover to. May ano ka, yun, may dividend, giving dividend regularly. REIT, RL Commercial REIT. At at this point, nagsa-sideways siya, pero more on the uptrend, right? Pakyat. Pero dito na side, medyo nagsuslow down. Pero at this point, I can consider MA20 as your support. Otherwise, sundin nyo lang tong trajectory na to. Kapag na-break yan, let's say you end one candlestick lower than that, then that's not a good sign. Baka mag-decline. Pero overall, kung masustain niya to at may magandang volume, which hindi ko pa masyado nakikita, or may mapanakanakang spike, um, slow pa lang yan. Slowly establishing that volume. Pero at this point, if you wanna try it out, basta you can go as near as you can dito sa MA20 line. If not, try to, kung mabasag niya yan, basta wag kayo bababa dito sa blue line. Okay? Pwedeng isang level niya is 5.69 area. Bakit? Dahil if I am to go lower than this MA20, titingin ako pababa. Saan ko nakakita ng pag-bounce? Well, ito, dati niyang resistance, naging support dito, naging support din dyan. So baka kapag nag-breakdown in price, dito siya lalanding, 5.71 area. So, yun ang aking outlook kay RCR. ANS. Oh, careful, kahit green siya today, walang volume at nasa baba tayo ng MA20 line, baka lang magkaroon ng weakness at mag-breakdown sa presyo at babalikan si 10.47. That is what I can see at the moment. Okay, isa pang o-observe nyo dito is my double top. Pero anong nangyari? Anong nangyari sa kanyang RSI? Bearish divergence. So, kaya nag-decline siya. Ngayon, ito pang babantayan kasi in the short term, pwede dito yung support nag-establish, right? Pwedeng dito, pero pag nabasag tong 10.80, baka balikan si 10.47. Wala, ang konti ng trades eh. So, again, many of you have also mentioned na, I think one of you, hindi ko lang maalala kung sino nagsabi, ANS daw is a good one, good company. Nagbibigay din ng dividend. Medyo slow start lang siya sa Q1 2023. Yeah. Pero previously, annual niya to positive naman. Kasi medyo, paano siya naging positive ng 2022? Dahil, tapos ng 2021 niya, billions din. 2022. Yeah, so medyo mataas na siya. Yun na nga. Allow it na magpa-profit take muna yung mga profitable. I think there will be a period of retracement muna kasi ang steep ng akyat niya oh. So baka magpa-profit take na to. Period na ng profit taking nila. Okay, so let's wait for it. 1047 next area na bantayan natin. Sinang ATI? May ATI ba? Ay, ayun nga, Asian Terminals. 10 lang. May dividend. May maganda ang kanyang earnings. Yeah, pero hindi siya attractive for traders. Siguro I think a lot of them are also long-term investors here kaya wala masyado nagbibitaw. So, in case man na may pagbitaw na magaganap, the next support is 13.59. Abangan nyo dyan. Pero looks interesting. Pang long hold talaga to. And yung consuelo mo dyan, of course, is your free compensation while waiting. Okay naman yung kanyang dividend is 6 plus 0.78. Oh, nasa 7. This year may 7% na silang ibibigay. Okay? Si FGEN. FGEN medyo slowing down, gumagawa ng possible resistance sa area na to. Okay, so check first. Pero kasi pag na-break to, may isa na naman siyang haharapin, no? Another area na baka ano siya, ma-reject. Pero dito, next niya is kapag nag-breakdown dito. Pag na-breakdown to, babalik siya 1760. Pag dumiretso, may resistance na naman siya, 1957. Yan o, yun. Kaya, wait and see probably. Kapag may another red candlestick, malamang babalikan niya itong 1760. Okay, so, maliit. May foreign buying, pero ang cute. Right. So, yun lang. Yun lang. I think, if there are additional insights na may alam kayo about the possible reasons why these stocks are moving this way, feel free to drop a comment. Let us know para matuto din kami sa inyo. At hopefully, itong mga insights na to makatulong din sa inyo by tomorrow and in the coming days. Hopefully, maka-achieve kayo ng sound decision, profitable trades. And for now, thank you and good night.